Ever wondered why your credit card bills are higher than you expected? It's all about the fees. There's a lot more to credit cards than just the money you borrow. Unbeknownst to many, there's a whole world of charges and fees hiding behind those shiny plastic cards. These hidden costs can quickly turn what seems like a convenient way to pay into a financial headache. Let's start with annual fees. Some credit cards charge you a yearly cost for the privilege of using their card. This can range from a modest £25 to a hefty £300 or more. Remember, this is a fee you're charged whether you use the card or not. Then, there are late payment fees. If you're even a day late with your payment, you could be hit with a charge. These fees can be as high as £25 each time and can add up quickly if you're not careful. Next up, we have interest charges. These are the costs you pay for borrowing money on your card. The rate can vary widely depending on your card and your credit score, but it's not uncommon to see rates of 18% or more. And the worst part? These charges compound, meaning you can end up paying interest on your interest. And don't forget about cash advance fees, foreign transaction fees, and balance transfer fees. Each of these can add an additional cost to your credit card usage, often when you least expect it. But don't despair. There is a beacon of hope in this sea of fees: no-fee credit cards. These cards, as the name suggests, come without many of the pesky charges we've just discussed. They can be a great way to enjoy the convenience of a credit card without the heavy financial burden. But what if you could have a credit card without these pesky fees? Well, stay tuned, because that's exactly what we're going to explore in the next scene. Welcome to the world of no-fee credit cards, where you can spend without worrying about hidden costs. Let's break down the concept of no-fee credit cards. In essence, these are credit cards that don't charge you an annual or monthly fee for the privilege of using them. Unlike traditional credit cards that may have a yearly cost attached, no-fee credit cards allow you to enjoy the benefits of credit without this extra expense. Sounds pretty enticing, right? But how exactly do these no-fee credit cards benefit you, the user? Well, let's say you're someone who pays off their balance in full each month. In this case, a no-fee credit card can save you a pretty penny as you're not shelling out for any annual costs. Plus, many of these cards come with rewards programs, offering points, cashback, or travel rewards for every pound you spend. This means you can earn while you spend, and who doesn't love that? Now, if you're wondering whether these no-fee credit cards are just a myth or actually exist, let me assure you they're very real. In fact, there's a wide variety of no-fee credit cards available in the UK. From the likes of the Tesco Bank Foundation credit card, designed to help you build your credit score, to the Amazon Platinum MasterCard, which offers reward points on all purchases, there's a no-fee credit card to suit almost every spending habit and lifestyle. But remember, while no-fee credit cards can be a fantastic choice for some, they may not suit everyone. It's essential to consider your spending habits, financial situation, and the card's terms and conditions before making a decision. Now let's dive deeper into some of the best no-fee credit cards available in the UK. Be sure to stay tuned, as we'll be comparing these cards in the next segment, helping you make an informed choice about which card is right for you. So, whether you're a savvy spender, a reward hunter, or a credit-building newbie, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you in the realm of no-fee credit cards. Not all no-fee credit cards are created equal. Let's compare them to find the best one for you. Imagine a world where every credit card in your wallet is a no-fee credit card. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. Not all no-fee credit cards are the same. They come with different benefits, interest rates, and some even have rewards programs. So let's dive into the details and compare some of the best no-fee credit cards available in the UK. First, let's take a look at the Everyday Saver card. It's a popular choice among many, mainly due to its low interest rates. But what sets it apart is the fact that it also offers a rewards program. For every pound you spend, you get points that can be exchanged for a range of goodies from high street vouchers to flight tickets. However, it's essential to remember that the rewards program may not be beneficial if you're not a big spender. Next up, we have the Flexi Freedom card. This card offers a competitive interest rate and a unique feature: flexible payment options. This means you can choose to pay your balance in full each month or spread the cost over a longer period. However, the downside is that it doesn't offer a rewards program, which could be a deal breaker for some. Then there's the Simple Saver card, known for its straightforward approach. It has a competitive interest rate and no additional perks. The beauty of this card lies in its simplicity. No rewards programs to keep up with, no complicated terms and conditions. It's just a simple, no-fee credit card. But for those looking for a bit more bang for their buck, this might not be the best choice. Lastly, we'll look at the Customer Choice Card. This card stands out because it's highly rated by customers for its excellent customer service and its unique cashback program. For every purchase you make, you get a percentage back, which can add up over time. However, it's worth noting that the interest rate is slightly higher than the others we've discussed. So, as you can see, each card has its strengths and weaknesses. The Everyday Saver card might be great for those who spend a lot and want to take advantage of a rewards program. The Flexi Freedom card could be a good fit for those who value flexibility in their payment options. The Simple Saver card is perfect for those who want a straightforward, no-frills card. And the Customer Choice card might be the best choice for those who value excellent customer service and a robust cashback program. So, we've looked at some of the best no-fee credit cards in the UK, but which one is the right one for you? Choosing the right no-fee credit card depends on your individual needs and spending habits. Let's delve into how to navigate this financial labyrinth. The first step is understanding your spending habits. Some of us are frequent flyers, others are foodies, while some are online shopping aficionados. Different cards cater to different spending categories. So, if you're a traveler, you might want a card that offers travel rewards. If you're a foodie, a card with cashback on dining could be your best bet. And for the online shoppers, a card that rewards internet purchases could be the way to go. Next is your credit score. This 3-digit number is like your financial report card. It dictates what cards you're eligible for. If you have a stellar score, the credit card world is your oyster. You'll have a wide array of cards to choose from. But if your score is less than perfect, don't worry. There are still many no-fee cards designed for building or repairing credit. Remember, it's always important to pay your bills on time to keep that score healthy. Now let's talk rewards. Who doesn't love a good reward? Most no-fee cards offer some kind of reward program. This can range from cashback, points, or travel miles. But not all rewards are created equal. Some cards offer a flat rate on all purchases, while others offer higher rates on certain categories. It's crucial to choose a card with a reward program that aligns with your spending habits. Lastly, read the fine print. Yes, I know it's tedious, but it's necessary. Look for any restrictions or limitations on the card. Some cards might have a cap on the amount of rewards you can earn, or specific categories where rewards can't be earned. This could dramatically affect the card's value, so it's worth the extra time to read through. Remember, the best no-fee credit card for you is the one that suits your lifestyle and spending habits the most. So, let's summarize what we've learned today about no-fee credit cards. First, we uncovered the hidden costs of credit cards and how they can add up. Then, we introduced the concept of no-fee credit cards, a game changer in the world of personal finance. These cards offer the convenience of credit without the burden of additional fees. We compared various no-fee credit cards, showcasing their unique features and benefits. Each card has its own strengths, and the right one for you depends on your spending habits and financial needs. We also discussed some tips on choosing the right no-fee credit card. Remember, it's not just about the absence of fees, but also about the card's other features such as rewards, cashback, and customer service. And there you have it, everything you need to know about no-fee credit cards in the UK. Happy spending without the fees.